6637, sir.
6637. It is not permitting, Amma. You are on mobile. 6637. Only laptop it will give permission.
Sir, 6632.
66. Can you once more time? 6632.
6632.
Yeah, 6632. And please send recording to my mail ID, Amma. Everyone, and write today parabola. Then write parabola. If it is a hyperbola, write hyperbola, and section. So title means I am able to identify. Sometimes some student will ask, I don't know what content it is having. So many recordings I will receive, so I will get confused. So please make it title. So simple, I can forward whenever you need. Okay. Sir, 6641. Okay. Can you respond 6641?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Amma. Permitted, Amma.
Sir, 624.
Enough, enough అయిపోయింది. Next, again I will. Okay, who is that? 66. Yes, tell me.
6242.
6242 Venkat. Yeah, 6242. Right. Thank you. Now we will go back
Sir,
to
6241, sir, please.
Ichanamma 6241.
Yes, sir.
6241. Sai Teja permitted. 6241. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Almost all. Out of 58, 8 I permitted. Okay, but you have to send that. So in last class, we discussed about ellipse. Any doubts in this regard? If you tell, so what I told, what is the probability I explained? I told that maximum probability is with respect to, he may change the values. What values he can do? In last class, I taken focus to distance 50 mm, eccentricity 2 by 3, right? Now he may change, instead of 50, he may make it 60. Instead of 2 by 3, he will make 3 by 4. Or who is that, Amma? Who is that? Please mute Ishwar. 6239. 6239. Mute yourself. Next. He can change, means only probability is he may change the value of focus and distance. He may have changing. So he can change any value. You see, you can draw figures. That's why I told I will solve only one problem. If you want, sir, I need more practice. Take 60, say change eccentricity value, do it. So that's why that is not a matter. You can make it 3 by 5. So there are so many probabilities. Only thing is that size is a matter. Principle will remain same. This is the one aspect with respect to nature of curve. Second, what I told, it is less than 1. See carefully. Next method, he may ask tangent and normal. In first method, I asked some 60 mm. He may say that tangent and method should be from directrix. I am talking with respect to directrix only. He may say 50 mm. He may say 40 mm. Anything else. So be careful. So these values, it may be 70 mm. So values may change, but the procedure which we adopted will remain same. Procedure does not change. Any doubts? I'm talking to you
Sir,
people.
drawing tangent and normal, you say again.
Yeah. What is that, Amma? In directrix method, I simply told directrix is a fixed line. From fixed line, he, as per given condition, it is 60 mm. I drawn one more parallel line with respect to 60. That line I extended in such a way that it has to cut the arc. And that is cutting arc in two positions, I told, up as well as down, because it is a mirror image. So I am preferred bottom. So wherever it cuts, I taken M. I marked that point. Which point? The distance of 60 mm from directrix. After that, I joined that point with focus. Once I joined, So now with respect to this line, I want to draw one perpendicular line. You know, it is inclined line. Perpendicular means the relation between this line and this line should be 90 degree. I will keep 90-degree line and I will draw. And that line should be passing through focus, but it has to cut directrix. Condition 2, that line should be perpendicular to MF, passing through F, but it has to cut the directrix line. I will extend up to cutting directrix line. And wherever it cuts, I will say that as P. And that P I will join with M, it acts as a tangent. P and M acts as a tangent. That's why I named T, T dash. Then I know the relation between tangent and normal. Perpendicular to the tangent is normal. I will keep my protractor or I will keep my mini drafter parallel to this line. One side, other is perpendicular, 90 degree. Passing through M, that N should be passing through M because we are finding tangent and normal passing through the point M. That you have to keep in mind. So passing through that, I will draw perpendicular, that is normal. Any doubts?
Sir, that F to P I am not getting, sir. F
Yes,
to P
Amma?
line.
Which line you are not getting?
F to P, that normal, how you are taking 90 degrees, sir?
Amma, keep your mini drafter. You don't have mini drafter. Okay. You keep your protractor. ఈ రీతి పెట్టు కనపడుతుందా నీకు ప్రొట్రాక్టర్ yes
Yes, sir.
I kept PM line, this M as a center. I kept this line. Now you see with respect to 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 ka 90 పెట్టాను. From 90 I drawn this line. కనపడుతుందా? Now you can see this. జేసి అది పైన పెట్టమ్మా, అది ఆ పేపర్ కింద పడింది. So this perpendicular, what is that? This is the geometrical rule, Amma.
Not that line, sir. Up, sir.
Ah.
F to P.
It's 2P.
From F you drew one line, sir.
F to P. Again, you do one thing. You have scale. You have scale. Idu scale. Kanpadtunda?
Yes, sir.
Now you see this one line. Observe carefully. Idu talent amma idu. Idu one line unda. This one line visible. This line.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I one kept parallel to MF line. ఎక్కడ పెట్టానమ్మా? ఎక్కడ పెట్టాను? Parallel to. If this line is parallel, this side, because I know that this side and this side perpendicular, these lines are drawn. I kept one small element of the one line parallel to MF line at F. Then I drawn this. See, idu perpendicular amma, idu rule. Because the relation between this vertical line and this horizontal line is how much? How much? What is the relation between these two?
Right angle.
90 degree
perpendicular.
right angle. Right angle ante 90 ra. Right. Otherwise, if you are getting confused, you keep like this. Petacha. But ఇక్కడ P దొరకదమ్మా, ఇక్కడ P ఏం అయిపోతుంది, కార్నర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో అందుకే ఏం చేశాను, 1 mm తీసుకోండి. సో I can draw this line, I can extend it. So that is a relation of 90. You are not observing my tools, position of tools, because why we are insisting these many things means you are not using mini drafter. Because if you use mini drafter, these many problem cannot arise. Mini drafter is a tool. That's why I told it is a machine. That machine help us to maintain parallel and perpendicular line. But whenever we want, we are using protractor method. This is protractor method, or by using this scale, we assume this scale as this line is parallel and obviously it is perpendicular. Got it? Yes sir, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir, right. Shall we go for next problem? Shall we?
Sir,
go?
I have doubt, sir. How did we draw
No,
the
sir. That line we are not getting.
FM line, sir?
This line,
FM, sir.
FM, what is that? FM is not a problem. M we located as per given condition 60 mm. How I located? I measured 60 from directrix. Idu AB line directrix. I measured 60. You see, I will start.
Yes,
10,
sir.
20,
I got it.
40, 50, 60. ఈ 60 లైన్ నుంచి ఏం లేదురా, ఈ లైన్ కి ఈ లైన్ ప్యారలల్ కొట్టానమ్మా. I drawn parallel రా, because 60 distance between this line and this line. Parallel line కొట్టాలకి ఎంత ప్రాబ్లం రా. That line I drawn in such a way that it has to cut arc. జాగ్రత్తం, ఆ లైన్ అందుకే పెద్ద లైన్ డ్రా చేశాను. I drawn very big line, so it has to cut arc. That point is M is on arc. Always we are finding tangent and normal. Read that question. Draw a tangent and a normal at a point. This is the point M on the curve at a distance of 60 mm from directrix. Idu jagratam chuskoali. Any doubts?
No, sir.
I am talking to you people. Now audible?
Now it is audible, sir.
Yeah, right. So finish. No doubts. Shall I move next problem?
Yes, sir.
Right. Take next topic. Yes. General method of construction of a hyperbola. General method of construction of a parabola, not hyperbola, parabola. Write down. Next item. General method of construction of a parabola. Noted down. General method of construction of a parabola. Take one problem. Take. Draw a curve. Draw a curve. Draw a curve. Draw a curve, comma. Draw a curve, comma. The distance between focus and directrix. The distance between focus and directrix is 60 mm. The distance between focus and directrix is 60 mm. The distance between focus and directrix is 60 mm. Finish. Now, what is the question? What you noted down? Draw a curve. I am not naming curve. Title I told parabola, but in problem I am nowhere claiming it is a parabola or hyperbola, right? Draw a curve, comma, when the distance between focus and directrix is 60 mm. Name the curve. Name the curve. Then full stop. So finish. This is the given information for curve, as well as also draw a tangent and a normal. Also draw a tangent and a normal. Also draw a tangent and a normal. Tangent and a normal at a point on the curve. At a point on the curve. At a point on the curve 55 mm from the focus. You are getting my point. How, where it is located now? 55 mm from the focus. also draw a tangent and a normal at a point on the curve 55 mm from the focus. Now I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Noted down full problem. Noted down.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Draw a tangent and a normal at a point on the curve 55 mm from the focus. My question is that which curve you have to draw, ma? Which curve you have to
Parabola,
draw?
sir. We can.
Why? Why?
It
Why?
does not give
Why?
eccentricity, sir. The
Then
problem
he is not given eccentricity. Then how you will know? In earlier method,
because
we know.
for
Yeah.
ellipse and
Eccentricity is
hyperbola,
1
he
for
will give
Eccentricity is 1.
So, yes, sir.
Eccentricity
1.
Equal to 1.
Listen now. That is the intelligence. Means in parabola, he won't give eccentricity value. Don't anticipate. If you anticipate, you are doing blunder mistake. Understand this. He only tell the distance between focus and directrix. By using that, we have to construct. Listen carefully now. So what I will do? Same procedure. See, it is simple figure because early and parabola is a open loop. It is not having closed loop, amma.
Yes, sir.
Only ellipse is a closed loop. And due to that, it is having two directrix, two vertex, and two focus. But parabola is having one focus, one directrix, one vertex. Finish. Parabola and hyperbola are same methodology. Getting my point? So be careful regarding these two. Okay. So now we will start same procedure. Okay. What I will do? I will draw one vertical line. First vertical line. First directrix line kotali. AB. Then
Perpendicular to draw a
perpendicular to
focus.
that. You see
Draw
how
a
I will
line.
draw. See everyone. Again, I kept one line parallel to AB. This one line parallel. Then obviously it is perpendicular, amma. This line C. And here this is axis line. Any doubt? But how much it is given?
60, sir.
Focus and directrix is 60. Yes. I will take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is 60. This is the location of focus. This is the location of focus. How much it is? 60 mm. How much it is? 60 mm. So I will draw 60. This is must, amma. 1 marks. Dimension you have to write very systematically. Now 60 mm. Now tell me, where is the position of vertex?
Sir, at C, sir.
Because
C, sir.
eccentricity.
At C.
Wrong. That's why. Where is the position of vertex? Because in earlier method, we divided. That's why I kept vertex. We defined 2 units from focus, 3 units from directrix, because eccentricity is 2/3. But here eccentricity is a missing element. Then how to get eccentricity value? Anyone?
Sir,
Two
midpoint
units
of C and
from
F, sir.
How
vertex.
much?
2 units from vertex and 2 units from this, sir. What do you call it?
Sir, 3 by 3, sir, S-intercept.
2 by 3.
How
Like
much?
2 by
How
3,
much?
3,
How much? How much? Very good. Very good. What is 3 by 3?
3 by 3. 1.
Why 3? Why not 1 by 1?
The midpoint of
Sir,
Very good
Ah.
answer. Midpoint of this line is a vertex position. See, center. Now you see, I divided this into 2 units. How much? 30, 30. 30 by 30 is equal to 1 amma. How much it is? How much?
1.
Getting my point, huh? Vertex is a center point. Yes. Vertex is a midpoint between C and F. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No. Understand J and D. So that's why for parabola, he won't give eccentricity value because it is midpoint. If instead of 60, he may give 70. 70 means
then
35, right?
35, sir.
35. Instead of that 50, 25, 20, whatever it may be, midpoint of CF is a position of vertex. Now listen, VF is equal to VE, same procedure. VF, already how much it is? How much? How much?
30.
30. Draw perpendicularly 30. This is the position of E. Relation is this. Now join C and E. Same procedure. We are following same procedure what we carried out until now. I will extend. Getting my point? Again, I draw a very big line. Now, so extend this line. After this, now you see one focus, one vertex, one directrix. Enough. My requirement of parabola is over. In ellipse, what I did, I divided V and V dash, two vertex into equal number of parts. But here not required, Amma. Why? Because there is no second vertex. What I will do, I will take 1, 2 points in between after vertex, 2 points randomly, 2 points after focus. You may take fifth also. There is no restriction. So how many points you have to take? 3 to 4, maximum 4, maximum 5. 2 in between 2 vertex and focus randomly because we are not dividing equally. We are just marking the points. And then 3 and 4. What procedure I will follow? Same. From 1, draw perpendicular up as well as down. Wherever it cuts, 1 dash. From 2, hello, shh, I am a,
Sir,
and
sir,
kuch nahi.
sir,
Don't make noise.
sir.
I'm not talking to you, Amma. Here some people are making noise. Don't worry about you people, right?
Sir, the length should be equal or different, sir. Up and down.
Which length? This
Yes, sir.
much 1 dash is cutting same length kinda extend cheyalama.
Okay, sir.
2 dash, because it is a mirror image. Upper image, lower image. Mirror ante same replica. So that's why I'm extending. It may be little bit up and down, but value able to represent it. Third point, see. Fourth point. This is fourth. Now this is 3 dash and this is 4 dash. So we represented because we know parabola is an open loop. So that's why we taken what are the things? We divided after vertex 2 points in between focus, after focus 2 points. Finish. Take same procedure. What is the procedure you have to adopt? Same methodology. Only thing is that how to define vertex. Take 1 dash as a radius. Take 1 dash as a radius. Same. F as a center. Center should not change. Up, down. See. 1 dash as a radius. F as a center. Cut one line. 2 dash as a radius. See. 2 dash as a radius. F as a center. Cut 2 line. Up as you see, that's why I drawn line. So it should be cut. Next, 3 dash as radius. 3 dash as radius. 3 dash as radius. F as center. Center should not change, Amma. Cut 3 line. 4 dash as radius. F as center. Cut 4th line. See. Now mark. This one is P1. Obviously it is P1 dash. P2. P2 dash. P3. P3 dash. P4. P4 dash. See. So we marked P1, P2. Same procedure we followed. Once we know the position of vertex, we taken VF is equal to VE, extended, join CE line, extended CE line. Then we divided from vertex number of points. So number of points are 1, 2 in between focus and vertex, 2 after that. Now join with very smooth curve. Who is that? Who is that? Otherwise, I will mute all of you. Don't misuse it. Why you will get a number of doubt means while explaining your concept. See, parabola, finish. Construction of parabola is almost all 50% simple than ellipse. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes. Anyone is having any doubts?
No, sir.
No,
sir.
no. Got it? You can do
Yes,
it.
sir.
Yes, do it. Shall I finish tangent and normal, or I will finish after that?
Sir, finish it, sir.
Okay, listen carefully. Now, in this method, in first method, I targeted directrix. But now in second, what I told tangent and normal is 3 ways. First way is with respect to directrix, but second way is with respect to focus. How much he told? It is, how much it is given?
55, sir. 55.
55. Measure 55 on your compass. I am measuring from 7, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is 55. Kanpadtunda? I am measuring 50. Don't, sorry, 7. 7 I taken as a 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. From focus, there are 2 probabilities. You may cut curve upper side or you may cut towards bottom side. So I cut, how much it is? 55 mm away from focus. This is the point. Any doubts, Sama? Now tell me, anyone is having any doubts? What I did?
No,
So
sir.
now I measured the M point. Now I will call this as M. That is important. Nomenclature I will prefer. So from focus it is 55. There are two probabilities, but I preferred bottom probability. I marked means only marking the point is from directrix or from focus. ఏం లేదు కొత్త మెథడ్ ఏం లేదమ్మా. Only one is from we can measure from directrix or we can measure from focus. Shall I proceed? See, same procedure.
Yes, sir.
Join M and F. Same procedure. After this, keep perpendicular to MF. Draw the line passing through focus. It should be cut directrix. It is cutting directrix here. Mark that point as P. Join P and M. Same procedure. That M passing through, it acts as a tangent. T dash. Normal to tangent. You see, this is perpendicular. This is N dash. Relation is 90 degrees. Very simple method. But tangent normal is carry 3 marks. What I am telling, be careful regarding that. Any doubts? Marked point M with respect to focus. I take a noun compass, 55 mm, cut up bottom as well as up. But I want to construct tangent bottom. I marked that as M, the point which cuts curve, and that point I joined with focus. And with respect to MF line, I drawn perpendicular. That line has to cut directrix. I marked as P, joined PM. That acts as a tangent passing through M. And at M, perpendicular to T dash line is N dash. It is normal. I will take attendance. Any doubts? You may.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Doubt kanpadali. Wait for a while. చెప్పమ్మా ఏం డౌట్స్ ఉంది చెప్పు.
Sir, after taking 55 mm on compass, you tell total, sir.
This is the value I taken 55. I kept what he told. What he told? He told that the point is 55 mm from
From
Focus.
focus. Idu focus. F is a focus point. I kept focus. I cut the arc of 55 mm up, 55 mm down, up down. Same thing. You see, ikkadi kanpadtunda idu. Arc ki cut chesanamma. Target arc amma. That tangent and normal should be on arc. Cut chesan. Cut chesin tarvata I joined MF. Once I joined, I drawn perpendicular to MF 90 degree. That point passing through focus, cut for directrix. Wherever it cut directrix, that point I joined with M. It acts as a tangent. This is the tangent line. Tangent means it will touch at one particular point partially with the circular object. This is a circular object. So it will touch partially. So that is a tangent. Perpendicular to tangent is normal. Once you got tangent, drawing perpendicular, passing through M.
Sir, say slowly, sir.
Yes, Amma? Hello?
Say slowly, sir. You're going very fast.
Faster. Oh, yeah. Okay. First, taking F as a center point, 55 mm as a radius, I will mark the point on the curve up as well as down. There are two probabilities to draw the curve. One up, another down. I prefer down. Then what I did, I marked that point as M, joined M with F, MF. Then I kept mini drafter or any 90-degree this square 45 mm square. I kept one line of this parallel to MF line. Passing through focus, I drawn because I know this is perpendicular. So I drawn that line 90-degree in such a way that that line should be passing through focus, but simultaneously it has to cut directrix line. So it is cutting directrix line at P. That P I joined with M, that line extended, it acts as a tangent. After keeping that, I kept my this line. What again? One of the line is parallel to T dash line. This is parallel 6 line. Idu line. Perpendicular to that I drawn means the relation between this and this. Chudandamma. E line 90-degree amma. So I know that relation, this square of 45-degree is having relation this side and this side is how much angle it is? How much?
90-degree.
90. That's why I used this tool. I have one more also for your kind information. I not used this. This is also 90. If you are very intelligent, this is also 90. You can use any tool. Its relation between two
Sir, use
sides.
protractor and draw, sir, once. Use protractor and draw
Okay.
once.
Okay. Use take protractor. Keep protractor. This center point. On M. Idu M. Right. Kanpadtunda. M point and it is parallel to. Wait. Parallel to T dash line.